Hi everybody, welcome back to That's Hot, the weekly show on my channel where we look at suppliers and what they have to offer. My name is John of JWH Millinery and let's crack on with this video. So, as you all know, I'm currently spending some time in Australia and it's starting to get a little bit cold. Now, I didn't realise it got cold in Australia, but it does get cold. So it's made me start thinking a bit more of winter hats. And what is better than a beautiful fur felt beret? Gorgeous. So first thing that we're looking at is this gorgeous beret block from Hatbox Australia, and this is the style number 1412. So this is the maxi beret B. This is a 5-piece block and it's not recommended for stretch fabrics, so it says recommended for non-stretch fabrics. And this also comes with a removal tool as well, so it helps you. And this is going to sit really nicely just there, like so very stylish, very stylish. So you know, we can see where we're going with this. And then it's like, okay, fur felt, what could we use? So using I was doing a little bit of research and I came across this gorgeous, oh my god, it is beautiful. This is the colour sky blue and this is from Petersham's. Now this is expensive. This is like £75. However, this is a Melusine hat body, so it's made, I'm quoting what it says on Petersham's website as well. So Melusine hat bodies are known for their rich, lush, long rabbit fur. This is vintage, so it's probably dating between the 1940s and the 1960s. So it is a rare find. It's not something that you can get hold of. You may get hold of maybe one ever, but that's maybe it. And this colour is just to die for, like beautiful. I love this colour. So imagine that nice beret in that and it brushed. Oh, that'd just be gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then sticking with Petersham's, obviously we need to put some, like a lining, which we'll talk about in a second, but we need a bit of ribbon on the inside, a bit of Petersham Grosgrain ribbon on the inside. And I've picked this. So this is a new ribbon at Petersham's. This is the 35mm traditional stripe millinery Petersham hat ribbon, and it comes in 1 meter length. This particular one is gorgeous, and actually I put all this together, this hat together, from this sample. So I recently received an order from Petersham's and they sent me a lovely little note saying, just showing me examples of their new ribbons, and this is the actual ribbon itself. Don't know if you can see that on camera. It's really nice. It's really nice. So I may have to get some of this myself next time I place an order. However, due to COVID, like UK orders are just taking forever to get here. So, but yes, imagine that on the inside. Maybe like a little cockade on, a little bit of ribbon work on the just here. That would look really nice as well. It feels really nice as well. So, and it's not very stiff. And then obviously, because it's a winter hat, on a lot of felt hats you would put a lining on the inside. So I did a little bit of looking into silks and things and tried to find something that would go with this, but would also go with the colour of the Melusine. Some of my favourite fabric stores are in London, and one of them being Broadwick Silks, the Silk Society, and all that sort of like area on Berwick Street. And Broadwick Silks have this beautiful silk dupion in burnt orange. Now hold on, right? Not everybody likes like things to match. I am not one of those people. I don't like my linings to match my hat. If somebody specifically requests that, then I would make that. But it's not what I like to do. Like, I like to put a completely contrast lining inside any hats that I would need a lining. That's just how I work, and I think this inside would just be beautiful. And at £29 per metre, it isn't really that bad. Like, you know, I have seen a lot more expensive silks. This particular one is it's a Chinese yarn, so it's made with a Chinese yarn, which gives it just slightly smoother finish than, say for example, an Indian Dupion silk. So it's still great. The Indian ones are still beautiful, but this just gives that slightly smoother finish. Like I always do in these videos, put it together in Illustrator, and this is what all this together could look like. See, as somebody that is extra, this took a lot of, like, I mean, I had a lot of ideas for this week, and this was one of them that I was like, no, let me just see if I can do something pared back, something a little bit more restrained, but still keeping the sort of like design principles that I would usually use, if that makes sense. Links to everything will be in the description box below, as well as links to all my social media. Make sure you show all these suppliers some love. Make sure you follow them on their socials. Tell them John said hi, or whatever it may be, and show them some love. For my live stream on Thursday and my new tutorial on Friday. That's it for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.